Let's represent three sets using Venn diagrams. So remember that a Venn diagram is just a visual representation of data, where we're going to put the universal set inside of the entire rectangle, and then we use circles to note other sets, right? Where this shared piece is the shared elements between. If we have another set, we could add another circle, and then this middle piece is, all three. This is just A and C. This is B and C. This piece here is A and B. So we can have different relationships between sets, all within the universal set. Okay. So consider the following sets. Create a Venn diagram to show the relation between sets. All right, so I'm first going to draw myself a rectangle. This is my universal set, so numbers 1 through 10 need to be here. And then you'll notice I have A, B, and C. So I'm going to have A, B, and C. I often use the entire thing. Now, I like to say, okay, what do they share? Do they share anything? So looking at all three, I see that all three have a 3. So that 3's got to go in the space that is shared by all of them. And if you look at the rest of them, none of them share another number, all three. I can see pretty easily that A and C share a 9. So in the AC spot, we have a 9. A and B share a 5. So that goes in the AB spot. And I don't see any other duplicates, right? So just A has 1 and 7, B has 2 and 4, and C has a 6. Now, if you put numbers in and you notice that you have a number twice, then you know you have a duplicate and it needs to be moved. But as I look around, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. That means 8 needs to come out here in the universal set. Oh, and 10. I didn't say 10 either. So you have to make sure that all of the numbers in the universal set are shown in the diagram. If they don't fall in one of the sets, then they need to be outside of the circles in the universal set. So it does help if you have, you can cross things out as you go, or make sure that all of the numbers are accounted for and they only appear in your Venn diagram one time. All right. Here's a fun one. Use the given information given to create a Venn diagram. Whew, don't really need that second given there, do we? All right, so this is kind of a fun thing here. We know, again, the universal set is 1 to 10. So let's get ourselves this. We have A, B, and C again. So A, B, C. Love my kind of circular circles. And what do we know? Well, let's check this out. First things first, I like to start in the very center, right, where all three. So A and B and C is 8. A and B is 2 and 4, so 2 and 4. B and C, that's here, is 5 and 6. A and C is 1. Whew. Okay, so that fills in all of the shared spaces. Now, when you look down here at the, singular pieces, we can see that A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Well, I already have 1, 2, 4, and 8. That means A by itself is just 3. When I go to B, I already have 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. So 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. That means 7 is the standalone B. And then when I go to C, I already have 1, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 5, 6, 8. That means 9 is by itself. Am I missing any numbers in my universal set? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 10 is in the universal outside of the sets. So you just have to make sure that you have all of your universal elements represented in your Venn diagram, and you kind of go through piece by piece to put it together.